Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up another smartwatch here. This is the iTouch Air 3. All right, let's get it out of here. There it is. Okay, different stuff. We'll get it out. I've already charged it, so it should be ready to go. Get this out of the way. There's your watch. All right, pretty good looking watch, isn't it? All right, we'll show you how to use it, what it does, how to get the app, how to get it going and all that, okay? Here's a little instruction book it came with, or booklet. Ain't much to it, but it's a couple of pages. Here is the QR code you scan to go get the app, all right? Scan that with your phone, it'll download it, you'll be ready to go, okay? We'll show you how to use all this. So there's your watch. Let's do it. Okay, here is the watch. To charge it, see the two little terminals right there on the back? See the little terminals right here on the charger? Put them down on it like that. They click right on. Right there, see there? They clicked in. Plug this into the USB port of your PC, laptop, whatever. I guess you could use your charger for your phone too. That would work too, so go charge it. It usually takes about 2 hours first time out, but should be able to charge it in about an hour. Okay, the watch is on. Now before you can do anything with your watch, you have to connect it to the app, okay? Alright, there's the app. Now the first time you open this app, it's going to ask you to create an account. You need your name, your email address, your phone number, and your birth date. Now your birth date, you can only move a month at a time. So if you're 20 years old, you got to go 20 years a month at a time. Well, I'm a little older than 20 years, but it takes a while, but you got to be at least 13 to use this app, okay? Now once you get that in, we're ready to go. Alright, up there in the top right corner, see that watch? Click on that. It'll take you over to here. First time out, you're going to do a set up a new device, okay? Now you cannot go into your Bluetooth on your phone and let it find your watch. It won't work that way. You have to let the app go find the watch, okay? Click on that, it'll find it and get you logged in. You'll be ready to go. If for some reason you got disconnected, like you got too far away from your phone, you come back in, just click on the watch right there that you've already logged into, and it'll put you back online, okay? If you have trouble getting it to connect, go into your Bluetooth on your phone and unpair that watch and let it pair it again, okay? Alright, see those three lines in the top left corner? Click on that. The first one's my profile. Click on that, it goes over to me. Don't look at my weight, I'm a little overweight. Alright, now let's go set some goals here, see? That I have some weight set, but that ain't right. We'll go back and change that one later. But go down to the bottom here, see where it says set some goals? You can click on whichever one you want to set. That's steps. I set it whatever you want there. See, adjust it. I'm going to set it about 4,000 steps a day. I'm not a big time walker, so alright. You can set any one of them you want there. Now we're back. Let's go down to settings and see what we can do here. Okay. Settings. Motion gesture. I'm going to turn that off. I don't like the watch coming on every time I move my arm. So just that top button there is off. See, if you turn it over, it's on, and it'll every time you shake your arm, it'll turn the watch on. But I don't want to do that. Okay. There's a lot of different things in here, like there's one there that says hydration, tells you to drink a lot of water. The next one tells you to wash your hands. Different things you can do in here, okay? I'm going to go down to that time format. You can set that up as a 24-hour clock or a 12-hour clock, but click on it, go into it. It'll show you how to do it right there. Pick that time you want. I like 12. All right, let's go down to units. Okay, I like imperial and Fahrenheit. If you'd rather have metric and Celsius, that's up to you. Click on them and it'll do them that way for you, okay? All right, let's go to weather now. I've picked the temperature in Fahrenheit. Name of the city, you click on it and put the name of your city in there you want to take the weather from, and it'll put it up there for you. See there? All right, let's go to language now. I only speak English, so I'm going to put it in English, but you pick one of those other languages if you'd rather have it. It's up to you. All right, let's go to the store now. If you go to the store, it's their store, the iTouch store. So watch here. Click on it, and it will open their website for you. Show you all the things they have to sell. You might like something else up there. I don't know. It's up to you. But there's all their watches. All right, let's go to firmware update. We want to check it out. See it. Oh, it says I'm up to date, so we don't have to do anything. Oh. All right, there's your how to set things up right there. Okay, let's go back. There's your goals again. Remember, down at the bottom, you can rearrange and set goals, whatever you want to do here. Time to sleep and wake up and all that. Set up whatever you want to do here, okay? Well, that's how you set the app up. Let's go to the watch now. Show you some things on there. All right, one more thing here. We'll show you how to set up some watch faces. Change the watch faces. See right there where it says watch faces? Click on that. That top one where the plus is, it's the 3 that are on the phone, on the watch right now. You can change those. But if you want some others, click on one of them. See all them right there? Click on one of them and click that blue button that says download and use. It'll put it on your phone, on your watch. I keep saying phone. It's a watch. All right. That's how you put the watch faces on. All right. All right, we got the app connected on there now. Tap on it, see the time. December 26, Monday. 250 steps I've taken. That's temperature. Now, the temperature never seems to be right for some reason. I don't know why. Bytes per minute right there. Bytes per minute. Beats per minute. That's how much your heart's beating. Now, if you want to put that on, what I like about this is there's no bands here like on a belt. You put on your arm like this, okay? Connect it up, and it slips right down through that little hole right there. So it's in the back. It's never sticking out and getting hung on everything, okay? All right. I think I'll put it on. If I can. Right there. It slips right down inside there like that. There's my watch. Okay. Okay. Tap it, turn it on. Turn over here. There's your weather. Okay. And the weather says 32 degrees. Never seems to be quite right, but that's it. Hit that arrow right there and then go back. You can take pictures with your phone. That'll be like the switch. It'll take your pictures. There's messages. See, I've got some messages up there. I did a Facebook upload. See there? Okay. Now then, arrow back over. Music. If you've got music, you can download music onto your phone and play it right there. Okay. What's next? Activity. Steps. How many steps I've taken. The time, all that. Okay. Training. All right. Sports mode. They have baseball, basketball, football. You can go out there and turn on the timer and tells you how long you run. It'll check your heartbeat and all that. Okay. Baseball, all those do the same. Workout mode. If you're doing a workout, running, cycling, whatever. Okay. Back. The clock. You got a choice of alarm or a countdown or a stopwatch there. Sleep says I slept 6 hours 45 minutes. 45 minutes were deep sleep. 6 hours were not deep sleep, light sleep. So, okay. Heart rate. What we're going to do here is do the heart rate, okay? Heart rate. See what it says, my 65 beats per minute there? If you want to record it, you can tap it and it'll record it and save it for you. Go back. This is blood oxygen. If you tap that, it'll go evaluate your oxygen level in your blood. See it working? %. All right. Relax. Tells you if you want to get into the relax mode, hit that little green arrow. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Tells me my heartbeat right there, see? Okay. Settings, power saving, watch faces. Now there's 3 different watch faces in here. Okay. There's a lot more on the phone. We'll show you those in a minute. Okay. That's the one I'm using. Whoops. Back, 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 back out. Hello. Back out. Right there's what I want. Okay. Alright, music, train sleep, settings, power, turns it off right there. We don't want to do that. Okay?
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also, check out the description below, and we will see you next time.